How to disable share button on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right you will find this settings icon. Tap on it. With that, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you will find the option of profile and tagging. Open this option. Now over here, you're gonna find the section of allow others to share your post to their story. Toggle off for this option. After you do that, you can go back. Now head towards your profile. Now head towards the post in which you want to disable the share button. At the top right of the post, you will find 3 dots. Tap on it. Tap on the option edit privacy. Now here you have to select the option of friends. People who are not friends with you in your Facebook account will not be able to see your post or share the post. Unfortunately, you cannot disable share button for your friends. So right now, this is the only way to disable share button on Facebook. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.